Welcome to the future of HVAC systems. Introducing the revolutionary ACU fire damper auto roll forming machine. With its cutting-edge technology and high precision, this advanced machine is set to transform the way fire dampers are manufactured. Gone are the days of manual labor and repetitive tasks. The ACU fire damper auto roll forming machine streamlines the entire production process, from start to finish. Each component is carefully formed with utmost accuracy, ensuring the highest quality fire dampers for your HVAC systems. This machine operates flawlessly, guaranteeing consistent performance and minimizing human error. The ACU fire damper auto roll forming machine works tirelessly, delivering exceptional results each and every time. Its intelligent design allows for seamless integration into your existing production line, optimizing efficiency and productivity. Say goodbye to costly delays and hello to increased output. Not only does this machine enhance productivity, but it also prioritizes safety. The ACU fire damper auto roll forming machine adheres to strict industry standards, ensuring that your fire dampers are manufactured to withstand the toughest conditions. With its state-of-the-art technology, this machine is truly the future of HVAC systems. Invest in the ACU fire damper auto roll forming machine and unlock a whole new level of productivity and quality in your HVAC systems. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates and innovative solutions.